there, wig lover! This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of an Estetica wig called Charlotte. And this is from their Naturelle collection of lace front wigs. I mean, not all of them have lace fronts, but this one does. The color on this is RMH12/26 RT4. And in a nutshell, what this is a light brown that has a dark brown root and also has a golden blonde highlight, medium golden blonde highlight. So let's get into it. Charlotte is a short wedge that has quite a bit of volume because there's a lot of hair. So really nice. Has a lot going on here in the front. I've got this portion swept off to the side and it just kind of naturally wants to flip, which is actually really pretty and very, very feminine looking. The bang on Charlotte is 6 inches, so definitely needs to either be cut or what it was intended for, swept off to the side like I've got going on here. The sides are only 2.5 inches, so they're quite short. And the layer from the crown down is 6.5, so it is fairly layered in the back. The nape is 2.5 inches, so it's quite short when you get down to it. This is a very, very cute style. It'd be very nice for summer. It's very effortless to wear, and the hair moves virtually not at all. That's just because it's so short. Like the sides and the back, which I'll show you in just a second, are really, really short. So there's really not a whole lot to move. So if you're the kind of person who likes the fact that, you know, some of these shorter styles can just be like set and forget, there you go, this'll do it. So let me go ahead and turn to the side so you can see what I mean. Very feminine up here at the front, and then in the back, very, very easy, effortless, classic, and short, short, short. Here is the back. Again, very short. And these Estetica caps will stretch a ton, so that's very, very nice. And then here's this side. Now because of the cap construction, you can basically part it anywhere you want, and I'll show you that in just a second. I just happen to part it on the side like this, and that's just my personal preference. This is a lace front wig. So there's that lace front. Let me zoom in on that. That's pretty well knotted there. And zooming back out. So Charlotte's a very cute little cut. So I'm going to go ahead and take this wig off and show you what the cap construction looks like. Because the cap is so stretchy, it just comes right off. The great thing about these Estetica Naturelle line lace front wigs is that even when they don't have a mono top, the lace front is very, very generous. It goes about a third of the way up the top of the scalp area. So it's almost like having a mono top, and you're basically getting part of a mono top there. So no matter where you part it, it's going to look like it's got a little bit of scalp there, and then that's when the permatease kicks in. It's got a spade here, and that's where that permatease is located. And I'll flip the cap back right side in so I can show you what it looks like on the cap. I think this color is really beautiful, especially if you're a big fan of like shaded praline from John Renault. It's very comparable because you get the light golden blonde, or the medium golden blonde, in addition to the light brown and the dark root. So if you're into combinations like that, this is a very nice color for that very same reason, very similar to shaded praline. And the dark color of the rooting will help obscure that permatease, which is a huge plus. So let's get back to the cap construction here. The perimeter of the cap of Estetica brand wigs is quite stretchy, and the wefting here is also very, very stretchy. You've got the little hook enclosure here to help adjust the size, and no fancy features here on the ear tabs. nor at the nape. No felt or anything like that. There is a little band of felt in between the rest of the cap and the lace front, so that's a nice touch. And for me, this is really stretchy. You just pop it on and it's ready to go. Make sure that the lace front lines up where you want it. Make sure that the ear tabs go where you want them to go. Pretty decent coverage here on the sides when you line up the ear tabs. And it doesn't hurt that the color of my bio hair, at least the sides and the back, is a similar color to the root shade here. And I'm not even gonna bother taking a comb to it. I can get it into place with just my fingers and a little bit of coaxing. There you go. This is Charlotte by Estetica Designs in the really pretty color RMH12/26RT4. It's part of their natural collection. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.